In the video, the card website. So first things first, all you have to do is to get the Calendly embed code. To do that, you just have to go to your Calendly account and navigate to the events type page. You must find the event type you want to embed and click the gear icon, then select add to website. You have to choose your preferred embed type, whether inline or pop-up widget. Then customize the appearance of your event. After everything is done, all you have to do is to copy the generated embed code. The next thing to do is to open your card site editor and go to the page where you want a calendar. So all you have to do is to go to your dashboard and click on this edit this site icon with a pencil right here. Just have to click on that to edit your website. Once everything is loaded, all you had to do is to tap on this plus icon right here to add an element and add embed as your element to the specific page. So take note that this embed icon or this embed feature is only available with Pro Standard, and you can only use this when you're Pro on your card.co. So walking through the process, all you have to do is to paste the Calendly embedded code into the code field to the embed element. So optionally, you can add a label to the embed code for your own reference. Once everything is done, all you have to do is click on done to save the changes that you have. And also add a Calendly calendar to the card website. And if you like, subscribe. It really supports the channel, and if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.